Hello everyone, my name is Latika. I'm an artist, wife, and a mother. I love creating decorative items from things which can be easily found at our homes. Since we all are stuck in our houses due to COVID 19, breaking away from daily routine can be difficult. Here is a quick DIY project which can help you to break the monotony and create something beautiful for your homes. Let's get started. You can create this project in 5 steps. In the first step, I am using clipboard. You can use clipboard or cardboard, whatever you have. मैंने clipboard को paint किया है and I'm using orange color. You can use any color you want. In the second step, I have prepared a dough using white cement. आप धीरे धीरे white cement में पानी मिलाकर एक dough prepare करें. In the third step, I have shaped small flowers, petals and stems out of white cement. I have colored all the shapes. In the fifth step, we will paste all our shapes using glue gun or Fevicol. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you don't like, then please comment below. Thank you.